Hello everyone, today we have average problem number 4. This problem was asked in Bank PO 2009. Generally this type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, CAT, MAT, GMAT, MBA, MCA, SSC exam, UPSC, railway exam, etc. Today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The average of 5 numbers is 58. The average of first two numbers is 48.5 and the average of last two numbers is 53.5. What is the third number? So, we are given the average of first 5 numbers, the average of 5 numbers, then average of first two numbers and average of last two numbers. And we want to find third number. So our third number, this is equal to sum of 5 numbers minus sum of 4 numbers, means first two numbers and last two numbers. So this is equal to average of 5 number is 58. So 5 into 58 is the sum of the 5 numbers minus sum of 4 numbers. So sum of 4 numbers is 2 into 48.5 plus 2 into 53.5 means first two numbers, sum of first two numbers and sum of last two numbers. Now this is equal to 290 minus 97 plus 107 and this is equal to 290 minus 204 and this is equal to 86. So our answer is 86, means third number is 86. So this third number is 86. This is our answer. I hope you liked today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.